Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
Hey guys, thanks to Kusori for sending this show, this air fryer. It's beautiful, it's sleek, it's gorgeous. I believe that's how you pronounce the name, Kusori. I probably should have had them pronounce it. But it literally does everything. It air fries, it bakes, it roasts, it reheats pizza, it reheats french fries. You know what it doesn't do? It doesn't heat up your kitchen, especially with summer coming. It's got a gorgeous big, look at that, the size of that basket, 6 quarts. It doesn't get any better than that. It's sleek. You can use this. You don't have to fire up the stove. And you can probably feed a family of 4 or 5. We're really excited. We're going to make some carnivore chicken nuggets. So let's try this thing out, and we'll let you know. All right, let's take off the film because it's brand new. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. We're going to fire this baby up and see what the display looks like. Oh, there it is. Everything right up front. You got your time. You got your temp. You got, I mean, if you've never used an air fryer, this is what I like to say, stupid simple. You just put the food in. You press how to cook it. You press how long, how hot, just like an oven. So basically, to make the chicken nuggets, we're using chicken, eggs, and cheese. Mixing it all together, making our nuggets. Then we're going to roll it in like pork rinds and parmesan to give it that crispy exterior once we air fry it. All right? Just to let you know, these liners exist. You can either buy silicone ones or paper ones. They save you tons of time. We're making a double batch, so I got 2 cans of chicken in here. We're going to use half this cheese, not all of it. We got our chicken, our cheese, put in our 2 eggs. We're also going to season lightly. Who am I kidding? Season heavily with some garlic. I wash my hand, make sure it's washed. Give it a good mix. These liners were borrowed from the kids. Our cooker's probably bigger, so we're gonna need to buy bigger liners. But for the sake of cooking right now, we're just gonna pop the smaller liner in. This thing's so huge. You gotta get the extra large liners. All right, so I got a little bowl of pork rinds and parmesan cheese. Give it a good mix. Grab yourself how big you want to make these, I don't know. I'm just doing your large variety of nuggets. You can shape them round, you can shape them long, however you want, like this. Okay? Then we can put those in here, roll them, get that all together, and place that right in here. Get that in. It's locked. Make sure it's locked closed. All right, then press on. 375 for, is it 10 minutes? Yeah. 10 minutes. Halfway through, flip them over, okay? So, go ahead and get that started. And we'll take a look and see. We're about done. 14 seconds left. I took the liner out. It was too small. It was sliding all over. It was messing everything up. So I just put it on the regular rack that they give you. There we go. All right, all done. Oh my gosh, that look beautiful. There you go. Can you see? Can you see that? Let's get those on a plate so they can cool. Wow. It worked. Alright guys, so I got a little crazy with my new toy and I just cooked up another batch. Pretty excited about these. So excited that next week I'm going to show you how to make nachos in this.